Welcome back to my channel, beauties, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alicia. As you guys can see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer. So if you want to see how it wears on me and how it covers these dark circles, then of course stay tuned. This is the actual packaging. This is what it looks like, and you get to see this shade at the bottom. This is a plastic bottle. So it's said to be a medium to full coverage, creamy and lightweight formula that corrects, brightens, blurs, and conceals while blending to a natural second skin finish. So I'm not gonna take too much time today. We're just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Everything that I use I will put in the description box, so you can check that out just in case I don't say it. And I'm going to blend it out with my Morphe 439 Dome brush. I love this brush. Let's get into this concealer. So this is the applicator. And this is the concealer. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. This shade looks good. This looks like probably like my Too Faced concealer. Looks about like the same kind of color. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch it beside my Too Faced concealer, and this one is in Warm Sand, just so we can see, because it kind of has the same consistency. Ooh, okay. This one right here is a Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then the next one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is a close. They look pretty close in terms of the shade. I just realized I didn't tell you guys the shade, the number. So the shade that I got is 16. So, and then of course Warm Sand is the one in the Too Faced. So let me just read to you what 16 is. Number 16 is described as medium to tan skin with warm undertone. Just has like a normal concealer smell, nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna try to just use a little bit at first, and then if anything we can add more. But it feels so creamy. It feels so creamy. That feels good. I'm just gonna do the other high points of my face. So whenever I wear concealer, I like to let it sit. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna blend it out now with my sponge. It's been about a minute, so. I mean, it's blending out nicely, as you guys can see, very easily. I feel like it could have dried down a little bit more, but. So that looks pretty nice to me. Definitely blends away nice and easy. And this is some good coverage. Considering it's medium to full coverage, I definitely got some good coverage, as you guys can see. So I normally color correct, but I didn't do that today. And you can see that I definitely got some good coverage. I do like the coverage, that's for sure. And I didn't put a lot on my face. I feel like I could do a little bit more just because I'm extra, but with what I got, it's pretty good. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. It's definitely a very creamy, nice formula. So it feels good on the skin. Yeah, so it didn't dry down too fast, so you could work with it. While that sits, I'm gonna just bronze my face. I'm gonna be using my LYS bronzer in number 4. I absolutely love this bronzer. So we're just gonna kind of just do a quick little bronze. Just gonna set my face with my Laura Mercier powder, and I just press the powder into. So I'm just gonna complete my face real quick off camera and then come back and we can talk about it. But so far, so good. So this is the finished face. I'm just gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see under my eyes. So as far as the claims go, I can definitely see that it is a creamy formula, very lightweight on the skin and very natural finish. Those things are definitely true. For me, I have very large lines under my eyes, so concealer does tend to crease anyways. Even when they claim to be creaseless, they still do crease. Really hope that this review helps you to figure out whether you want to try it as well, or whether you like it. So if you do, I will definitely leave the link in the description box for you to go ahead and purchase. Everything else that I use on my face today will be down below as well. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Thank you guys again for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.